Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil. So what makes this olive oil so special? Well, first off, it's made from carefully selected olives. The taste is really balanced. You'll notice hints of fruit and fresh grass with just a gentle, spicy finish. Perfect, right? It's great for everyday cooking, whether you're making salad dressings, sauces, drizzling over pasta, marinating, or even sautéing your favorite veggies. Now, let's talk about why this product seems super reliable. First, it's listed on Amazon. And that's a good sign because to sell on Amazon, products have to meet certain quality standards. Plus, being on such a big, trusted platform makes it easier for us customers to feel confident about buying it. Second, the packaging is more eco-friendly. The bottles use 50% recycled plastic and are fully recyclable. And don't worry, the olive oil inside is still the same high-quality, vibrant flavor we all know and love. With a smoke point that works for most cooking, it's really versatile. You can use it for salad dressings, sauces, drizzling over pasta, or sautéing vegetables and fish. Another thing I love is that Filippo Berio provides tons of recipes from different cuisines. It's not just one way to use the oil, you get ideas for all kinds of dishes. It's a nice little boost for your everyday cooking and keeps things interesting in the kitchen. Now let's talk reviews. On Amazon, this olive oil has a 4.7-star rating. That's pretty impressive, right? People rave about the flavor. Many say it's smooth, fresh, and really enhances their meals. Some even use it just for dipping bread because it tastes that good. Overall, customers seem happy and keep coming back for more. So to wrap it up, Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil is high quality, versatile, and flavorful. With sustainable packaging, great recipes, and tons of happy customers, it's definitely a reliable choice for everyday cooking. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hey, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite way to use olive oil?